Hey guys, Chris Dunn here, aka the Boogeyman. On this episode of Boogie Tech, the Boogie Hauler, we're going to walk you through finishing up Z-ing our rear frame by adding our plates, our inner and outer plates, and we're also going to talk about these badass one-off wheels we made, 19.5s, where we bought the blanks from California and we machined them in-house with our own design vent. We put our own lug pattern in and our hub center. Stay tuned. Let's roll. Okay guys, I'm going to show you about us plating the inside and the outside of the chassis. This is from our last episode. This is how this turned out. We put some primer on it because we're fixing to bolt a fish plate on the outside and we're fixing to weld another plate to box it on the inside. So here we go. Okay guys, I just welded the inner plate on, so here's our finished product. Turned out pretty nice, I think. Here's the weld. You know, we got a little primer on it. You know, all in all, plate turned out pretty nice. Here's our finished product on the outside. You know, got our plate bolted on, put a little primer on it. And, you know, when we're done, we're going to black all of this out and it's going to look really good. Now, I overkilled this thing, but I'd rather be safe than sorry. So let's move on to some badass 19.5 cool ass semi wheels. All right, guys, we're going to talk about these 19.5s. What we done here is we got these blanks from California, and I will leave a link to them in the description or in the comments one. It's a pretty nice place, pretty reasonable what they charge for these blanks. So let me just walk you through what we done. We did our own vent hole we wanted to do here, and own design, because I did not want what they had. You know, and the other thing is, they did not have any full blank 19.5s. They didn't make them. They only make them in 22.5. So I had to buy it, and it had a little bitty vent hole here. And I knew I didn't like it, so I was going to take it out anyway. Now, these didn't have no lug pattern in them. And I wanted them that way because this is a motorhome chassis. And the bad thing about these P30 chassis, they have 5 lugs in the front, 10 lugs on their back rear end. And I don't know why they do that. I don't know why they didn't put 10 on the front, but they don't. They just got 5. Well, I wanted it to be 10 and 10. So basically what I done is I drilled 5 through holes, and then I tapped 5 5/8 fine threaded holes. And what I'm gonna do is put short studs in so I can put on 10 lug nuts and it look good. So from back here, you know, it'll be 10 lug nuts, just like the back will be 10 lug nuts. So I don't know why they done that on these P30 chassis, but that's what I'm doing. I'm disguising. So you see 10 holes here, but only 5 of them are through holes and 5 of them are tapped. So that's what we done. Thank you for watching this episode about the Boogie Hauler. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. Chris Dunn, aka the Boogeyman.